In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up and enhance your track in BandLab. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along in real time. Start by heading to BandLab in your browser or app and log into your account. Once you're in, go straight to your library. This is where all your projects live, and it's the quickest way to stay organized. Find the project you want to improve and open it. If you've got multiple drafts, pick the version that's closest to finished so you're enhancing, not starting over. With your project open, click on Studio. Studio is where all the editing and mixing tools live, and it gives you a clear view of your tracks. Take a second to identify the track you want to clean up. This could be a vocal, a guitar, or any recorded audio that has some background noise or pitch inconsistencies. Select that track so BandLab knows exactly what you want to work on. Now right-click on the track or the audio region to bring up more options. From the menu, click on Denoise. This tool is designed to reduce background hiss, room tone, or low-level static without wrecking the character of your performance. Listen as you apply it and aim for a balanced result. If you push noise reduction too hard, audio can start to sound thin or watery. So the goal is to remove distractions while keeping the natural tone intact. A good rule of thumb is to make the noise disappear during quiet parts without dulling the clarity during louder sections. While you're polishing the track, use auto pitch as well. Auto pitch is great for gently tightening intonation, especially on vocals. Think of it as a touch-up, not a makeover. Subtle settings often sound more musical and keep the emotion of the performance. If anything starts to feel robotic, dial it back. The aim here is confidence and consistency, not a heavy-handed effect, unless that's the creative choice you're going for. To finish the cleanup, you can also add effects such as EQ. EQ lets you shape the tone so everything sits better in the mix. A small low cut can tidy up rumble, a gentle dip in harsh areas can smooth out sharpness, and a slight boost in the presence range can add clarity and sparkle. Make changes while listening in context with the rest of the project so your adjustments serve the whole song, not just the soloed track. That's it. By opening your project in Studio, selecting the track, applying denoise, using auto pitch, and rounding things out with EQ, you'll get a cleaner, more professional sound in BandLab.